empty and we do not know where the entrance is to get to the bird park, but we will find it because that's what you do. You find things. Okay? Okay guys, we just left and now we are walking outside to go find the bird. Oh wait,
Found it.
actually it's actually right here.
Told you there's gonna be a lot of people.
Over 60 species of bird, guys. I'm a word I really good. There. Over 60 species of bird. It's actually so cool.
Is there a reptile park in here as well?
I'm not sure. Oh, it looks like it. There's a snake.
I don't want to see snakes. I've seen them all my life.
Let's go. I'm so excited. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
No, we're not buying anything. I'm just showing you.
Guys. And we got, ooh, so pretty.
We're gonna start this way.
Yeah. We got some duck pellets and it's only for ducks. No birds or anything else. Because I can't go in there.
Look how great this map is. You are here. Show me where, because that means all of these. Great.
Oh, this is where they say they have the show.
Bird show. Apparently they have them every half an hour or
Really?
an hour, I don't know.
Oh, this is... Hey, it's closer here. Here's a bit... One of us is an owl.
Woo!
Who? Who's the owl? One of the three of us is an owl, by the way.
Shame he's all alone.
And he's a baby. Pause to read. Oh, dang.
Oh, that's insane. Family friendly YouTube. Good. He's giving me a stick. Is that for me?
Bye.
The one at the back's eyeing me out like, I'm gonna bite your fingers, you put them in the cage.
No way, you just made the bird.
You're actually from a distance.
Are you Snow White?
I am. Hello?
Everyone's trying to eat the camera.
You're trying to eat my camera, bro. Hey. Hey.
Are you thirsty?
Bye.
I want to see this. There's eggs, guys.
Keeping? Who's this thing?
It's an iguana. Maybe
They've
they
got
moved-
another one of these.
Yeah, maybe they moved it to you. Hey, big guy. There's nothing. Yeah, I don't think there's anything in there.
Oh, but there's a stack door open. Gotta be something in here. And we just can't see it. Not sleeping in a tire. Nope. Whatever that is, it's massive. It's a duck. She's feeding the ducks.
They said I can. He's not sharing. Yeah. Oh, and someone's on his head. Hey guys.
She just threw the duck with pellets, guys.
Huge, bro.
Now she's just creating anarchy because now half of them aren't eating.
I'll feed all of them.
I'm gonna come get you if you don't
want the
feed
pellets?
me.
Hello?
Give this one, give this one.
They're not babies, I'm sure. They're just tiny.
No, why are those so big?
Look
at those. Oh, what just landed? This one. Get this one. Shamey's all alone. Get it, boy. Get it, get it. Yeah, my money was on that duck. I still got a whole pack of pellets in my pocket.
Okay, who wants more pellets? Are you having fun?
Yep. Can you drop this one?
That was on his head.
Look at these guys.
Did.
Look at that one.
Hey.
That one's busy beefing
Chunky
himself up.
monkey. He's a chunky guy. Oh, there's one laying in there. This way. Oh, you got George?
What's up, man?
Wake up, George! Oh, this is from Nemo!
Do not attack me.
Can you guys fly? Can they?
I assume so.
What is he doing?
I don't know, but I'm getting it on video. Get this off. What are you doing?
Look, he's staring up at you, babe.
Staring up at me, bro.
Actually, wait, I'm holding it.
Oh, no, those are real babies.
Oh.
Pelicans.
What is it with the gun?
I don't think I know shiny yet. Pelican? Two boats. That thing will chase you, I swear.
It's probably asking for food.
There's a tortoise here as well.
He's eating.
Nah, he fell asleep. He's fat. Fell asleep by the bowl, bro.
Grandpa. Oh, there's 2 of them, bro. There's 3. Hey, Grandpa. Look. You didn't go fly on the arm.
No. We bite. Please do not touch the birds.
Never mind. Sorry. What's in here? Oh, nothing. Oh, all of the pigeons.
He's running away from me.
They literally told us you were gonna do that. We knew you were gonna do that.
You wanna bite me?
Damn, bro, gangster.
You want to bite me?
I dug you.
You trying to bite me? You trying to bite me?
Bye. Hey.
This guy wants to square up. What?
Bro's mad.
What?
Baby flamingos.
Lesser flamingos. So where are the cooler flamingos? Oh my god, it's an ostrich. Okay.
Oh. Did we give him a fright?
You gave him this looks like a dinosaur.
That one? 19.
Hello. Hello. That is not a bird. That is a dinosaur. Lesser flamingos.
They do not look as nice in person.
I know, right?
Expected.
Oh, but they're still babies. When they're full adults, then they go pink.
Oh yeah. And their legs go super long.
Why are biting?
He's a bully. Look, he's a bully.
Sounds like they're laughing. Oh wow.
Oh, hi. You're tramping in your poop, sir. Ma'am, miss, look how long. Can I send your eyelashes as my inspo pic? Can I? No?
If my girlfriend was a bird, she'd be that bird. Pretty. Now we look at the endangered tatum, my girlfriend. Rare, full of attitude.
Okay, never mind. Now flash these people.
Red-eared slider terrapin.
Look at him.
It's the Ninja Turtles.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh wait, that's Johnny.
This habitat is so cool. If I was a turtle, I'd want to live here.
Literally.
Got your little waterfall, pool, places to sleep. Chilling. Oh, let's see. He's gonna slip.
Oh.
You got this. Hey. Oh. 4x4 mode, 4x4 mode.
Crossing sport mode.
Bro's got it. I wonder how it tastes.
What?
What? I'm hungry.
Don't talk about the
He's gonna fall. No, he's got it. Okay, let's start with the red one. Nice.
They died. Dizzy. Look, the baby. Here he is. They've just had a baby. Don't show us. This one's just had a baby.
Hello, Jake.
Like mana?
That's Mana.
Let's go down here because I see the birds down there. Guys, the birds. Guys, the birds. Guys, the birds down here.
Oh, there's more there. Oh, there's so many. We got it on camera. How crazy is that?
Take us on a tour, babe. What was that?
A rat.
Oh my god, it's a rat. Shanice. Sorry. Your mouth is moving a lot.
We're currently in the main aviary, looking at all the animals, monkeys and reptiles.
Yeah, you'll see it's separate from when we were that side. So this
Animals,
is
monkeys and reptiles? I meant birds, monkeys and
no,
reptiles.
this is from the inside the net. Very cool. Very love this. This is like a mini version of Mountain Sanctuary. Oh wait, no, we can't do that. If you love things like this, or like, I want to say, it's not really like close with animals, but it kind of is. I think you should really come here. It's really cool. Do you think it's really cool, babe?
Yeah, it's a pretty cool way to spend your Saturday. It's relaxing. It's nice to see these animals.
10 out of 10.
And these
please.
things are actually way bigger than what you think they are.
What?
How am I supposed to talk to the camera?
Sorry.
Take it
Oh,
away.
babe, get him. They're literally telling me they don't want.
Right. Are you enjoying it?
I love it. It's very cute.
What's here?
Oh, there's snake.
There's definitely something
There's a
in there.
bird under there.
Is that the exit? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's like
Oh,
the
what
one
is that? Is that a chicken?
Oh, no, it's rocks.
No, come on, you have to have seen that colourful bird under there.
Yeah, I saw the wing, the tail.
Is that,
It's the same.
is it dead?
Oh. No,
Is it moving?
no.
So it's dead?
It actually is moving.
Oh, no, it's alive.
He's
He,
getting mad because he's trying to sleep. That's
he was
me.
just sleeping.
The snakes. Hey, it's not all sleeping.
Alright, so we've went through a majority of the bird park. It's really nice. It's really fun. It's not too much walking that you have to do. Yeah. How did you find it, Beth?
It's really, I love it. It's actually really, it's very quiet and peaceful. I feel like Dora the Explorer. Like you're in the wild.
Yeah, so it is. It's a nice way to spend the Saturday if you don't want to do anything too hectic in Joburg.
And it's literally in Montecasino. If you've been to Montecasino, there. Oh, there's so much.
Well, these are the ones we saw just from the top.
But I want to walk close to the ledge because anyone walking under it. There's he again. It's a blue dacre.
I don't know if you guys can see him. There.
He's eating.
Everyone's saying, oh.
This is so cool, guys. It's so like, this is literally in our backyards. And like I've never heard of this place. I don't know how Matt knows about it. How do you know about it?
I just do.
Rocks. But yeah, it's real. And do you want to jump my shoes off? And like it's really nice when the birds fly over your head. Like they're literally right here of your head. Okay, now we're gonna go get something to drink.
Oh, he's running away.
Planning
He's running
his
away.
escape.
He's planning his escape. He's
Come
going to
back.
run to us as soon as. Go, 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 go.
Yeah, guys, we came here at around. What time did we get here?
11.
Around 11. Then we had something to eat. Damn, what's up, cuz? Then we had something to eat, and as we were eating, it was like picking up. There was people, like more people coming. but it's not too full. So they Imbro's armpit.
I want to go check out the red ones.
Where? Oh.
You didn't really check them out.
So yeah, it's not too full here. I don't know how it's gonna look in Monty, but at the bird park it's not too bad, as you could see when we were recording. Yeah.
Babe, I don't think we went this way.
I want to swim in there so bad.
I know, right? Oh, snap! It's a snapper.
A snapping turtle.
What did I say? Snapalala? My English just left me.
It is snapper.
Snapping turtle.
I said, it is snapper. I said snapping.
Wait, babe. Never mind. That is not a turtle. It's a rock. Oh, there's a thing. There's a thing. It just stuck its head down underneath the thing. There's its tail.
Oh, damn.
Oh, there's two. Look at its thing. Never gonna believe how close I'm about to get to a
Oh, this is
flamingo.
fake.
Just ruined my video.
Oh, sorry, take it again. I didn't know what you were saying.
It's fine. Look at that duck. He's drowning. That's how I used to do handstands in the pool. She's like, Mom, look at me, look at me.
Mom, look
And do
at
something
me.
stupid like that.
Let's go see what that is we can eat. Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! Okay guys, we're actually done here, but we're gonna go, remember we bought two bags of duck pellets, so we still have one more bag left. So first gonna go feed the ducks, and then we're gonna go get something to drink, because I'm actually really thirsty. My mouth is dry. Listen.
So these are duck pellets, only for ducks.
Matthew!
Tastes like bread.
Spit it out right now. It's nasty, bro.
It's got blue in its feathers.
Mm.
You know that today I actually realized one of my favorite birds is a toucan.
Yeah, actually.
They
Where is
actually
he?
really beautiful in person.
Oh, we already have enough for this.
They're really beautiful in person. You don't.
It literally looks like they have like a cap.
Even these macaws.
Yeah, the
blue
macaws are really nice. Yeah. Like really, if you guys want to see, like, it's different seeing these birds on the internet, or they're so huge.
Kom nu. Can't bring it higher. Man. For something, they all lined up. Something's going on. Why are you chucking it like that? Feed them nicely. Very cool. Try to get a video of the blue chin toucan, but he flew away. We're back. Hey, you remember us?
We were playing with this.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Bye, baby. I love you. I'll see you later. Bye. I think you should have.
Alright, so I think we've finished up. We've seen all the exhibits. How'd you find it, babe?
I really, really enjoyed it. Like I said, if you guys like this kind of thing, maybe pick a cooler day because it's really hot. But come early as well because it kind of gets like full. Not really, but kind of. Look. Where's the owl? Hmm? The owl. Oh, there he is.
We're about to exit the bird park and go back into the casino itself. We're not actually going to go gamble, sadly.
I will leave you with less
I'm
money
telling
than
you,
I
just let me put the car down on black and we'll get 2 cars. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. Anyway, we're going to go get something cold to drink. We did choose an extremely hot day to come down to the park. But it wasn't too bad. I'm just sweating a lot.
Yeah. Guys, I'm actually really proud of Matt. His social anxiety was like basically almost non-existent. Almost. But
Don't scream my name in public. I promise you I'll leave you there.
I was actually gonna prank you like that today, but I didn't want to be left alone, so I didn't.
Just do a soft practice run of that.
Matt! 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 Matthew! Matt! Matthew! Oh, it's so funny. He's so embarrassed. Anyway.
Isn't it weird that they let us in on the...
Yeah, but this is not the actual casino.
Yeah, but I can go to the casino from there.
But there's security
Anyway,
there, isn't there?
we're in Montecasino.
Yeah, it's actually really, like you'll see, like, there's way more people than when we... I'm scared to record people
We're
because...
gonna go that way? Or to that? No, I said we slush that side.
Yeah.
Do you wanna go see the...
No, let's go see this. Actually way cooler in here.
It's extremely loud in here right now. No, this one closed down. We have to go back that way.
Okay.
Wow, they got blueberry, mango. I mean that's blue raspberry. Yeah, same difference. That's a grape.
What do you want?
I want mango and blueberry.
I don't want to break the lid. Babe. I want mango and lychee. Oh,
Nasty.
Mango, grape, and lychee. Okay, mango.
Yes, yeah, fill up my cup. Okay. I just want to show everyone the ratio. I asked for half and half.
Let's go buy you another one.
Yes. No, I'm joking. She's so extra when she's got time. Oh yes, it's definitely half raspberry, half mango.
You can put more. Maybe
No,
put
it's
more.
good.
Hold on. Just hold on. Calm down.
Okay, I'm calming down. Okay.
Look at that. Problem solved.
Oh god. Alright.
Problem
Don't litter.
solved.
We don't litter here.
How do you do this again? This way? Yeah.
Now we're gonna play a new game called Find the Car in the massive parking lot of Montecasino. Does it taste good? No.
Say sorry for eating on my combo.
I am not sorry. This is the one.
You literally just said it's nice.
I don't even know where I'm supposed to go. Oh my god, we're going to one. People are gonna get in here now.
The doors opened and Matt put the camera down so quick. Because he thought people were gonna be there.
She doesn't even know where to go, but she wants to walk in front. That's the level of confidence I want. She doesn't even know where we park. She's just walking. I should have just left her, followed her.
Guys, I don't have sense of direction. Don't hate on why are you waiting? Where did we park? Be careful that you get out. Hey, brother, parallel park there.
Blueberry, mango. Doesn't get any better than that.
Mango, lychee, and grape.
Let me taste the grape. The grape. That's a grape.
Guys, we calculated that including food, we paid 600 rand for the bird park, food / the ticket to go inside
Food
Montecasino, and food for the ducks. Roughly 600 rand. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly date, I recommend. We're done at the bird park in Monty. It's way too full and too loud, and just it's hot and everything's bothering. Anyways, we got slushy and water, so it's good. Now we are going to Stonehenge, Greenstone.
I don't know.
Putt-putt. We're gonna go play putt-putt. So fun. Who's this fine handsome man over here? South Africa's national vehicle, guys.